So what about somebody healing from terminal cancer that was only given days to live? Has that ever happened? And the answer to that is yes. In fact, there's thousands of documented cases of tumors spontaneously disappearing or people going into an unexpected spontaneous remission. Or how about somebody with a spinal injury that's been wheelchair bound for decades getting up one day out of their wheelchair and walking? Has that ever happened? And the answer to that is also a yes. There are thousands of documented cases of that as well. Or here's one. How about somebody with a large aneurysm in their ascending aorta from their heart to their main artery rupture and then heal itself without surgery? Has that ever happened? And yep, it happened to me 6 years ago. And the fact that I'm alive and that I'm talking to you right now are basically mega $1 million lottery odds. Or how about this? Having eczema, severe eczema for my entire life, and then finally figuring out how to heal that. I healed because I learned how to engage my heart. It's such a simple thing, such a simple ad that you can do to any healing modality that's going to make a huge difference. So I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. So if you're a starseed or an empath like myself, or a psychic or a medium or a healer, you may be more prone to disease because of your sensitive and open nature, but also you are closer to source or closer to divine, and you feel energy more, and therefore you have an advantage in healing yourself also. The idea is when we engage the heart, we engage the brain, and when they come into balance or coherence, then we start to become coherent with spirit. We start to awaken supernatural healing abilities that we all have, but for most of us it's dormant. And then, of course, we're programmed by pharmaceutical companies and whatnot to diminish our power so that other people can make money off of us. But you have the power, it's within your own heart. You have the power to heal yourself. And this is what we are going to dive into right now, how to do heart-brain coherence and how to apply it into healing. The chief dermatologist at NYU Hospital told me I had the worst case of eczema he'd ever seen, that the form of eczema that I had was the worst itch known to man, next to third-degree burns apparently, and that most people with the form of eczema that I had develop organ failure and die prematurely. It's like, what a nice thing for your doctor to tell you when you've been up for days on end itching uncontrollably. But the point being is that I did not buy into that. I healed it instead. And the first step for me, and this has to be your first step also, is that I lost the anger. I lost the victim mentality. One day I just decided I'm not going to curse God anymore. I'm not going to blame my parents' genetic. I'm not going to be angry about this anymore. And when I lost the anger and lost the victim, that's when the healing began. So that's absolutely necessary. Do it because you have the power to change it. We create our reality. We co-create our reality with spirit, with each other, and personally. So you can do this. And engaging and applying the heart is what's going to make it work for you. So first step, lose the victim mentality. Second step is develop in your meditation practice. Learn to be present. Practice presence. We talk about that a lot. Now, the actual practice of heart-brain coherence is all it is holding magnified frequencies of gratitude, appreciation, and love in your heart. When your heart feels that, it's coherent. Now, according to the research from Heart Math Institute, and Dr. Joe Dispenza and Greg Braden, to name a few, the heart is 60 times stronger than the brain. These are the two strongest electromagnetic generators in the body. When the heart comes into coherence, the brain becomes coherent. When these two organs blend, then they work synergistically, and that's how we tap into our superhuman abilities, not only to heal ourselves, but we can engage with the law of attraction to so many benefits, to increase your intuition, to reverse the aging process. All these things are documented. So this is how you do it. You simply get relaxed. you start to feel your heart open. Hold magnified gratitude, appreciation, and love. Now, the way that I do it, I actually use the basic technique as I learned from Heart Math, from Joe, from Dr. Joe and Greg and others. Um, and I've added a few of my own things. I call it magnified heart brain coherence. So the first thing that you do with this is you just hold that frequency of gratitude, appreciation, and love. Now you can start, especially gratitude, and you can start by just what are you grateful for right now. But the idea is that you want to cultivate this so that you can be grateful for just the present moment. So when you do your heart brain coherence, relax, get present, get in a meditative state, feel the gratitude, expand that into the brain. That's going to happen naturally, but you can augment it and feel gratitude just for the present moment, just for the now, nothing else, and hold that 10 minutes at a time. I like 11, 3 times a day. And then here's how you can start to apply this to healing. If you just happen to find this video, it's no coincidence. It means that you are ready to heal, or it may mean that you are a starseed or an empath or psychic or medium or a light worker or a way shower or whatever, and you're ready for this information. So before I forget, if you are enjoying the video and you want to help YouTube share it with more people, just give the video a like, hit the thumbs up button, and please comment your experiences, anything you wish to share. I read my comments and I really enjoy your guys' feedback. And if you resonate with the content on this channel and wish to join this community, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified so you don't miss a thing when we release new videos or do our free live events. So here's how to apply this to healing. So you do your heart brain coherence for a couple of minutes, and then you make the reality in your mind that you are already healed more real than your physical disease. So in other words, when I'm doing this practice and I'm opening my heart and I'm feeling gratitude, appreciation, and love, I visualize with all my senses engaged, not just my eyes, but all of my senses, that I'm already healthy and healed. And I make that more real in my mind than my physical suffering. And I express that gratitude of heart brain coherence for the fact that I'm already healed. And I hold that for several minutes, 10, 11 minutes at a time, 3 times a day. And that's all it is. It's through the power of repetition and something known as Hebb's law that states the neurons that fire together wire together. So if you basically do this repetitively, your subconscious mind is going to start to believe that you're already healed, and you're expressing gratitude for that, and your body will respond. Your energy field, your aura will respond, and you will heal. And that's how to do it. That's the practice. So do this. You deserve it. You are ready. That's why you're here. And if you wish to learn a little bit more detail about how to do heart brain coherence and apply that for law of attraction, check this video out here. And if you want to learn more about starseeds, empaths, check this video out over here. Thank you, and to your very good health, I love you.